Hi there, best friends. Welcome to another video from your favorite garage. So today we are keeping your ride connected and enjoyable. Yes, we're installing a new car radio. Road trip, lazima ibambe, lazima. The old unit is carefully removed. Then we do a quick check on the wiring to ensure everything is in perfect condition. Here, our technician is connecting the wiring harness, matching each connection correctly for proper power supply. Once the wiring is complete, we proceed to fit the new Android radio unit into position. So once installed, we test the system to confirm clear sound, proper functionality, and seamless connectivity. And just like that, tumepea hiyo dashboard a clean look. So now you can go ahead and visit us at any of our branches today and upgrade your ride. See you on the next one, best friend.